Okay, the customer called and said it was water was really low and we got DY. Let's find out why. Now, if you push the jet, it'll go away and make it start. See how it's sucking air? You can kind of hear it. See if it goes back on. Put it on high speed. We did add some water, so it might not come back on. So if you get a flow problem, or this one here has DY, just fill it up, or there's going to be something wrong with your circ pump. So right now we're going to fill it up. Looks like it was sucking some air, especially when you turn it on high speed. It's still got the DY. So I'm going to fill it up and see if that goes away. Just stop it from sucking air. So it looks like that was the problem, the DY on that. So water was a little bit too low and it was just sucking air. So you got to remember to fill your tub up every time you use it, or when it goes down a little bit. And you'll save your equipment though. You don't want no airlock going across the heat tube. Whenever you have a DY error code, it's gone now, so we have to fill it up. So try filling it up. Check your filter, clean your filters out. If it stays on, then check your circulation pump. Okay, so if this video helped you out, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to us, and we'll see you on the next one.